Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will dive into the vintage car timeless treasures of the past. Vintage cars are more than just old vehicles, they are rolling pieces of history, capturing the essence of a bygone era. These classic automobiles are prized possessions for collectors and enthusiasts, often seen as both an investment and a passion. In this video we will explore what makes vintage cars so special, their significance in the automobile industry, and why they remain sought-after treasures. A vintage car is generally considered any automobile manufactured between 1919 and 1930, though some enthusiasts broaden the category up to the 1970s. These cars stand out due to their elegant designs, handcrafted details, and mechanical simplicity compared to modern vehicles. Brands like Ford, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Cadillac, and Bugatti dominated this era, producing some of the most iconic models. Why are vintage cars treasured? Historical significance. Vintage cars tell the story of automotive evolution. They showcase the craftsmanship and engineering advancements of their time, from early combustion engines to groundbreaking designs. Many of these vehicles were pioneers in aerodynamics, luxury, and speed. Craftsmanship and unique design. Unlike mass-produced modern cars, vintage automobiles were often handcrafted, making each model unique. Their artistic curves, classic grilles, and luxurious interiors set them apart as rolling works of art. Investment and value appreciation. Many vintage cars increase in value over time. Rare models in pristine condition can sell for millions at auctions, making them excellent investments. Classic car auctions like those by Sotheby's and Barrett-Jackson attract collectors willing to pay top dollar for well-maintained treasures. Nostalgia and passion. For many, vintage cars bring back memories of a simpler time. Whether it's a 1950s Chevrolet Bel Air or a 1920s Ford model, these vehicles evoke nostalgia and a deep connection to automotive history. Famous vintage car models. Ford Model T 1908-1927, the car that revolutionized the auto industry, making cars affordable for the masses. Rolls-Royce Phantom I 1925-1931, a symbol of luxury and opulence in the 1920s. Bugatti Type 35 1924-1930, one of the most successful race cars of its time. Cadillac V16 1930-1940, known for its powerful engine and elegance. Chevrolet Bel Air 1950s, an icon of American automotive design. The challenges of owning a vintage car. Owning a vintage car is not just about driving, it's about preserving history. These vehicles require special maintenance, sourcing rare parts, and ensuring they remain in pristine condition. However, for collectors and enthusiasts, the effort is well worth it. Vintage cars are more than just transportation, they are treasures from the past that continue to captivate generations. Whether as an investment, a passion, or a piece of history, these automobiles hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Owning a vintage car is like owning a piece of automotive art, a reminder of an era when cars were built with soul, craftsmanship, and innovation. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.